So you can go 1 times 1 times 3 if you choose. So doing that, we get, what's 2 times 5280?
10,560.
10,560 over 3 yards. And what does that reduce to?
3,520.
3,520, thank you. So 3,520 yards is the same as 2 miles.
Confused, but I kind of understand.
I have a question.
Yeah.
If we like have our own way of solving it that's like correct, can we do that on the test instead of this way?
Yes, you can. However, once again, I'm building you up for harder things. Like,
Alright.
even though we're doing fractions, once you get to 098, where you get to, you continue doing fractions, but now the numbers are all gone. You're just using variables. However, it's the
Alright.
same technique. So, I mean, once you use improper technique, it may be tough to overcome it.
Alright, because I found a way that works and it's easy for me.
Okay, well, if you're just looking for this right now, it's up to you, but once again, if you're preparing for future courses, it may not be the best path to take.
Alright, thanks.
It's confusing, you know, when to cancel which side out first. Like, you know, you choose this side, all right, you look for what you're looking for, you cancel that out. That's what you're doing. If you're looking for feet, you cancel feet out. If you're looking for yards, you cancel yards out.
Well, what we're looking for is yards as a final destination,
Okay.
okay? But right now, it's miles. So we want to get rid of miles. We don't want our final answer to contain the word miles. So that's why we chose that one to cancel out with miles. But now, once we did that, our final units were feet.
Feet, yeah.
But we don't want feet, we want yards. So we chose another one to cancel out feet. Okay, and then now, our final one is yards, and that's where we wanted to end up. Then let's try units of capacity. So this is going to be volume. Convert let's do convert 3 quarts to pints. So the relationship is what between pints and quarts? Okay, so 2 pints is the same as 1 quart. So the unit fractions we get out of that, 2 pints over 1 quart, or 1 quart over 2 pints. Doing that, we start out with quarts, and our end has to be pints. So 3 quarts. We've got to multiply by a unit fraction, the first or second? Which one?
The first.
So first, once again, quart and quart will cancel out. So we get 3 times 2 pints over 1. So we get 6 pints. We make the US system units. What we're going to do here is use long division. For example, convert 100 feet to blank yards and blank feet. So what we're going to do first is convert to yards. So 100 feet is what we're starting out with. Now we're going to multiply by a unit fraction. What's the unit fraction that converts feet to yards?
3 feet to 1 yard.
Okay, 3 feet equals 1 yard. What goes on top, what goes on bottom? Okay, 1 yard goes on top, 3 feet on the bottom. So we get 100 times 1 yard over 3. So 100 over 3 yards. Now what we're going to do with that is use long division, figure it out. So you can also use your calculator to help with the long division. If you do 100 divided by 3,
33 all the way through.
okay, so you'll get 33 as the whole number, right? The number before the decimal point. So now we know that 33 times 3 is 99, right? If we were doing long division, minus 1. So we get 33, remainder 1. Okay? So 33 is 33 whole yards. So this is where that 33 will come in. And the remainder will give us a feet.
1 feet.
So 33 yards, 1 feet is the same as 100 feet. 89 inches equals blank feet, blank inches. So on this one, once again, we're going to use the conversion. Feet to inches. So inches will go on the bottom, right? Because we want it to cancel out. Feet will go on top. So inches and inches will cancel out, and we're left with just feet. Now, you told me 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. So we get 89 over 12. over 12 feet. And doing the long division now. 12 goes into 89 at most how many times, according to your calculator? 7 times. 7 times 12. 84 with the remainder of 5. So once again, this is 7 whole feet. And 5 inches. The remainder are inches. So 7 feet, 5 inches is the same as 9 inches. Questions on that one? All right, try these two on your own.